Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to check your Twitter analytics. So when you open your Twitter account on your laptop, you just go to more and choose analytics. Wow, how cool is that? Then you go to analytics and here are all the interesting stuff that you need to strategize and to know what should you do with your Twitter account. Up here there are the basic like a summary about your last 28 days. 28 days because that's the minimum number for a month, and they don't want to use like your last month because that would be a little bit more confusing, because one month has like 30 days, one month has 31, and then you couldn't like really compare all the data from different months because some months has more days. So yeah, that's why it is 28 days. This is all the same all the time. So from my last 28 days, let's see the statistics and try to read them. I had 48 tweets in the last 28 days, which says that it was a 242.9% increase in the number of tweets in comparison to my last 28 days. So the 28 days before these 28 days. Yeah, so the next statistic is the tweet impressions. Impressions are those moments when somebody just scrolls over your tweet. When they see your tweet, they don't have to click it, they don't have to like it, they don't have to retweet it. When they see your tweet, that counts as an impression. So these are the impressions. I have 21.2k, 21,000 impressions, which is pretty good. Again, 262% increase in comparison to the last period. Profile visits, these are the number of people that clicked on your Twitter name and opened your profile, which is more like a better thing than impressions. So that's obviously a lot less than the impressions. There is a huge increase. Also mentions, the people that mention you in their tweets, and followers. How many followers did you receive in the last 28 days? So this is a summary about your analytics, but you can find out a lot more by scrolling down. Here you can see all your analytics by month, like as you see, December of 2020, January 2021, February 2021, and here are also the summaries, the same things as we saw here, just for those specific months, which can be very interesting if you are interested in statistics and following your growth. You can also open this tab up here, tweets, where you can see your impressions per day. For example, I can see that on the 15th of January, I had a huge organic reach. I mean, relatively in comparison to my page size. Here you can also choose the period that you are interested in, so you don't have to just see to check only the last 28 days, but you can choose any period you want. Here, if you scroll down, you can see your engagement rate, link clicks, retweets without comments, replies, and also likes. Yeah, so you can have a lot of fun with it. See, and another interesting thing that you can check is the videos tab. If you post videos on Twitter, then you can see your video views per day. As you can see, I had 40 views today, 163 yesterday, which is pretty cool. Yeah, that's it. That's how you can check your Twitter analytics. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then please consider subscribing, leave a comment, and all the usual stuff that YouTubers say, you know it. Yeah, see you in the next video, Blabibo Barbie Booby.